scenario.
Hello everybody, this is Little Mac, also known as your favorite video game character from Punch-Out and Super Smash Bros. And welcome back to another video here on the channel. I hope you guys are all staying strong, well, healthy, and safe from the coronavirus. And during this quarantine at home, and that's all I want to tell you guys. And so today's video is going to be about how to create a recovery USB flash drive in Windows 10. So to make this work, you're going to need two things. Obviously, you're going to need a laptop that is running Windows 10, which I'm using right now, and you're going to need your USB flash drive. So you're going to need a USB flash drive that you want to use for recovery. So which I have one with me, and I'm about to. So let's get right into this right now. So what you want to do right now is you want to go ahead and plug the USB flash drive into your laptop, which I'm gonna do right now. And if you hear that fabulous noise, that means that your USB has now plugged into your laptop. And so before you do anything else, you want to if you have any personal files on your USB flash drive, you want to back all of them up over to your computer, or you want to back them up to another area of your computer right here, so that you don't want to so that you don't lose any data on your USB flash drive that you want to that you still want to use. So which I already did that already. So it's on this folder right here. So I will recommend you to create a folder name, whatever name you want to call it. I just put mine here, which is USB for blah blah blah, something else like that. So I already backed that up, so I'm gonna I don't need to delete delete all of these, or all of this, sorry, what I meant to say. And so once you once you backed up all of your personal files that you're still using, so after you backed up all of those files over to another area of your computer right here, go ahead and close this out. And then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on this search bar right here on the bottom left corner, and you want to type in recovery drive. And then after that, go ahead and click recovery drive, the application right here. And it's gonna ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Go ahead and click yes. And it's gonna it's gonna take you to this this little menu here, where it says that if you can't get your PC to start, you can use a recovery drive to reset it or troubleshoot problems. So if you have any problems on your computer, or your PC cannot start, you can use the recovery drive. Use the USB flash drive for recovery, or solve the troubleshoot problems. And then also right here, it says that backup system files to the recovery drive. So you want to make sure that this is checked, and it's already checked. So once it's already checked, go ahead and click next. And now the Windows 10 laptop is going to begin the process to see if there's any your USB flash drive is plugged in yet. So if you haven't if you did not plug your USB flash drive into your laptop or computer, you can just cancel this process and then get your USB flash drive plugged in, and then you can come back to this application to continue. So this process is gonna take really long, so I'm just gonna let it finish up here, and I will come back once this process is done checking. So I will be right back once this is done. Alright, so now that the Windows 10 laptop has finally finished checking if the USB flash drive plugged into the laptop, and now it says the drive must be able to hold at least 8 gigs and everything on the drive will be deleted. So not all of the Windows 10 laptop will must be hold, or not all of the Windows 10 laptop for the USB flash drive will not must be able to hold at least 8 gigs. It can also hold maybe about lower than 8 gigs or much bigger than 8 gigs. Like it can be either like either 2 gigs or 1 gigs or 4 gigs, 16 gigs or 32 gigs or more, and that depends on what your drive must be able to hold at least by your Windows 10 laptop. So for me that is 8 gigs, and I'm using an 8 gigs USB flash drive at this time. So here's one of my USB flash drive that is available, which is the letter E one. So, and it's already been selected. So once you select the USB flash drive that you want to use for recovery, go ahead and click next, and it gives you the warning that everything on the drive will be deleted. So like I said before, if you have any personal files on your USB flash drive, you want to make sure you backed all of those files to another area of your computer, like I said before. And this is what I also said before in the middle of this video, is that I will recommend you to create a folder name. Sorry, let me say this again. I will recommend you to create a folder, and you can name it whatever you want. I just name like this, like USB for blah blah blah. And so once you backed up all of those files to your computer, yeah. So once you backed all of them backed all of them up, those files, go ahead and click create. And now it's going to begin creating the recovery drive on your USB. So this can take really long time because the Windows 10 the Windows 10 laptop will copy wait, actually before that, the Windows 10 laptop is going to format your USB flash drive, and it's going to copy all of the system files and utilities and other files for the Windows 10 to your USB flash drive for recovery. So yeah, this is can take a really long time. So I'm just gonna let it finish here once again, and I will come back once this is done. So I'll be right back. Alright, now that the process has now finally finished copying all of the system files and utilities to the USB flash drive, and it will come up saying the recovery drive is ready, which means your USB flash drive has now created with a recovery drive in it. And once you see this, go ahead and click finish, and there you go. Congratulations, you have now successfully created a recovery USB flash drive in Windows 10. So I hope this video will help you out, and this is the easiest method that I've ever do to create my to create a recovery drive on my USB flash drive. So yeah, once you finished, go ahead and eject it. And the reason why the notification is not showing up is because it's on silent, because I'm recording. So, but anyway, now that I just ejected, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it from my laptop here. And yeah, so once again, I hope this video will help you out, and it's the easiest method to create a recovery drive on your USB flash drive in Windows 10. I'm pretty sure. So so this is pretty much is going to wrap it up for today's new episode about how to create a recovery USB flash drive in Windows 10. So if you guys like this video, uh, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think of this new video that I just recorded. And so yeah, I want to say thank you guys for watching. For everyone who's been a part of this one, I'm Little Mac as your favorite video game character from Punch Out and Super Smash Bros. I will see you guys next time, and also please continue to stay well and yeah, and also please continue to stay healthy, well, and safe from the coronavirus, and yeah, so I'll see you guys next time, and peace out, everybody.